So, a lot of you asked me how I created this interior design presentation. And the truth is, I just used one software. No switching between CAD, no exporting to rendering programs, no moving everything into PowerPoint at the end. Let me show you exactly how I did it. So here you can see in Rayon Design, I was already working on this project. I have created few walls and I will show you how I did it. So you don't have to use the line tool or polyline. You simply go to the bottom toolbar, select the wall tool, choose a starting point, zoom in where you want to begin and enter the dimension like this and press enter. Now you have your wall. You can also set the angle, press enter and here it is. Now simply align it. Here you can see the wall is 16.68 meters because I extended it. I can double click, re-enter the dimension and it automatically adjusts. So these are the walls I created. Now I will select a wall and on the right hand side in the properties panel you can change the thickness, fill and stroke. In the fill options, you can add a solid fill, gradient, texture or hatch. I have added the hatch like this. Now it's time to add doors and windows. At the bottom toolbar, you will find the opening tool, but in the block library, go to find blocks, search for door and you will find many options. There's also a dedicated folder for doors and windows. Select a door according to your preference, then simply drag and drop it. So here's the door I want to use. I will place it like this. Using the arrows, I can adjust the size. It's very easy. I don't need to customize it manually. Then right click, go to transform and flip the orientation like this. Now, using Ctrl C and Ctrl V, I'll create copies and place all the doors for my restroom layout. I will add all the required doors and windows and then I will show you the result. Now the doors and windows are in place. It's time to add zones. By zones, I mean the flooring. Go to the bottom toolbar, select the zone tool and click on the area like this restroom. Then go to the properties, fill, add hatch pattern. If you are using any specific tiles like square tiles, you can adjust the stroke color and also the background color. Once satisfied, I will delete the zone text. Now I will select another area, use the style picker and apply the same flooring style. I will repeat the process for the other restroom as well. And just like that, the same style is applied. It took less than a minute. I will finish adding all the floorings and now you can see it's complete. Next, it's time to add furniture. I will go to the block library, find blocks and you will find a folder called hospitality. Here you will find everything from tables, chairs to kitchen elements. Now I will simply drag and drop furniture elements one by one. It's very easy and convenient. I will place sitting, copy and rotate the element and arrange them according to the layout. I will also add plants outside the windows. Here are the planters and now you can see all the furniture elements are added. Now it's time to add character to the floor plan. In the block library, you will find a folder for people. Here you will find human figures in different activities. You can drag and drop them and they are available in the top, front and side view. I will use the top view and place them around the restaurant. Adding people, animals and plants bring life and character to your drawings. So place them randomly to make the space feel active. Now you can see my floor plan is almost complete. Next, we move to annotations. At the bottom toolbar, you will find tools like dimensions, leader, arrows, and text. I will select the dimension tool and start adding dimensions. You can choose between single and multiple dimensions. I will use multiple. After placing them, you can customize everything from the properties panel. Text color, font, size, style, stroke, color, thickness, and arrow styles. Now I will add text labels. Using the text tool, I will label this area as bar. Then I will adjust the font, color, and size from the properties panel. I can copy, paste, and edit this text to label other areas. So here you can see this is my final presentation plan. Once it's approved, I can create sections, elevations, lighting plan, and other details. The good thing about Rayon design is that all the blocks come with top, front, and side views. For example, this plant also has the front view, so I don't have to create anything from scratch. I can simply drag, drop everything. This saves a lot of time and I can focus more on designing. Now, here you can see I have also created an elevation. I have used the hatches and textures to enhance it. Even with just hatches, the elevation looks very clean and visually appealing. Now, let's talk about the AI in Rayon design. You will find the AI chat option from the bottom plus icon. I can take a screenshot. Let's capture this section. Then go to the tool, stylize as render, and send it. Now Rayon starts processing the render. Let's wait and see the results. With Rayon AI, you can create render, axonometrics, visuals, and even custom blocks. Now you can see the results. It's not bad. Let's try the same with the elevation. I will take another screenshot, stylize it as render, and send it. And here's the result. It's actually quite good for concept stage presentation. Later, you can refine it in detail. Now that your drawings and renders are ready, it's time to present your work. Go to the layers panel where you will see two canvases, model canvas for drawing and paper canvas for presentation. I have already created one presentation. Here, everything is organized into pages with the title blocks. Let me show you how I created one. Go to the left panel, Pages, click the plus icon, a new page is created. Drag it into position. On the right hand side, you can change the format A4 to A3 and the orientation portrait or landscape. Now go to the block library, title blocks, and choose an A3 title block. Drag and drop onto your page and position it neatly. Everything inside it is editable. Just double click and customize details like name, date, sheet title, etc. To add drawing view, go to the bottom toolbar, Layout, View, create a view box, click Edit, adjust the view and set the scale, for example 1:100 or 200, then click Done. You can resize the view box to fit properly. Now your drawing is ready on the sheet. You can also add text, images, and other elements and even create layers within the paper canvas. Now that all sheets are ready, let's share the file. At the bottom, click Share, then enter email address and assign access as viewer, editor, or admin. You can also copy a link. There's also a presentation mode. You can also present directly without using PowerPoint. Finally, to export, go to the Page Export tab, choose PDF or PNG, click Export, and then you are done. There's also a new feature called Portfolio. Click on it to create a flipbook of your work. It works like an animation and looks really professional. You can track views, copy the link, and share it easily. Before, my workflow looked like this: CAD, render software, presentation software, export, fix mistakes, repeat. Now, it's design, visualize, and present, all in one place. And honestly, this workflow feels much faster and lighter. So, that's how I created this interior design presentation using just one software. If you're tired of jumping between 5 different tools, this might completely change how you work. If this helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. You will find the link in description to try out Rayon Design and you will get the free template as well. I am Kritika and I will see you in the next one. Till then, happy designing. Bye bye.